Hi there, this is Alan speaking, or Alan speaking. Another funny beer punch right here. So anyway, better I do an unboxing kind of thing here. So I've already had everything open here because, just dip through everything. So anyway, I did this order last week, I believe. I can't even remember. I don't even know what day we are right now. So, and I wanted to get the Malone Pine. So I got the Malone Pine here, folks, because, the classic staple. And I haven't seen it in the LTBO in a while, actually. Everybody drinking them so freaking quick. Let's see what we got here. We got, how do you say that one? Binary System 1. So it's the Gobble IPA. It looks like it's going to be a new series, which would be awesome. Kind of like collected art with the IPA numbers. And what we got here? We got, this is Naria. I'm not sure how to say that. Naria. That's an IPA. Looks like I got two of those ones because I know that the wife would like that. Because she really like her little IPA that we lower percentage. So we got here. So this is the Panther 4. So this is the Stout, folks. So looking forward to that. Looks like there's a lot more Stout these days. This is this is the 8 Mile. I'm really looking forward to that. You don't see a lot of classic beer styles these days, so let's see here. Got this on the edge of town. This one I'm actually really looking forward to because it's a black IPA, and you don't really see a lot of black IPA these days. So I got a couple of those. One, I remember everything. I gotta get a couple of those. And what we got here? So we got the Vanilla Stout, which is a chocolate raspberry cookie stout. So on that one, I actually have one of these in the fridge from a while ago that they sent me. And so what we got here? We got the toaster here, and we got a sticker here, and below for the thank you Adam cheers. So that was pretty nice of them. So definitely looking forward to that. And of course we got Twin Pine. I got a 4-pack of these bad boys because it's always one of the popular toasts, and when it comes with the West Coast vibe to it, oh man, you can't go wrong with that one. And now these are the moments too, actually. I was actually really excited about this, and I am really excited because of these. So this is the Gunko, so the fourth right here, this is the part of the Element Lager Dairy, so it's the Gunko Lager. So really looking forward to those. I got a 4-pack of those because I know I love my old style beer. And this one right here, this is the White Lager. I am absolutely really excited about this one too because again, a White Lager, and I remember like some of the other breweries like Barncamp, they did a white IPA and that was unreal, and that was one of awesome beer here. And so they did a great job with the packaging here, so they got the bubble wrap in there, and obviously no leaking at all, no dentures or anything, like even the box itself is not dented at all, so pretty cool. I'm really excited about trying this new beer, for especially this beer, that beer. Obviously you gotta go with the classic, and I'm gonna save some of these beers for WrestleMania. That's right, WrestleMania, it still happened, and I believe it's this weekend, it's tonight. I can't get over that, but if you're looking for something to do, something new on TV, well, WrestleMania is on. And I don't know why I'm talking about WrestleMania. But anyway, so I want to get the word out to everybody. Support your local brewery and your favorite out-of-town brewery by ordering from them. I ordered these beer. These are about 24 beer here that I got from Sawdust City. And, with over $75 shipping, I think it was 24 beer. But from Sawdust City, so free shipping over $75 or something like that, or $50. I can't remember. I don't really exactly have it in my head right now. It's been a long couple of weeks, and especially with work, and just like, I'm going to be looking forward to having a cold Sawdust City beer after all that. So, definitely well worth it, even though it took a little bit longer due to the whole the COVID-19 crisis. I understand. I don't mind waiting. It's worth the wait to get all these beer. I'm really looking forward to getting into this beer, and maybe I'll do some little review on here. I'm gonna try and post more review without all the editing, no more like fancy beer program intro. Don't give a shit about if you like. If you want to subscribe, cool. I don't really care for a like or all that shit. I don't really care. Anyway, so I just do this for fun. So it might well, keep me staying at home and at work too. So if I do something that I really want to do, I'll do it. And I'm really excited to get into this beer. So and thank you very much, Sawdust City, for the free step in here, and again, so this whole thing was totally roughly, I want to say maybe $100 or something like that. Again, it's well worth the money. I want to support these local breweries in time, and that's all I have to say. So stay tuned for beer review from this guy. Take care.